This is a bike that I like, or if I want to be more specific, this is a category of motorcycles that I like. 250 cubics, single. Adventure, enduro, doesn't matter what, trail bikes anyway. Few decades before, at the 80s, maybe bit of the 70s, also here in Europe, this category was very popular. You remember XL, XT, DR, W8 and so many motors, Dakota and so many motorcycles. Now it's starting to be popular again here in Europe because it was popular anyway in the Asia countries. What about? We have too many motorcycles in this category outside in the market. From big brands like KTM, like Honda, Kawasaki, and from Chinese brand like Watch, Sim, CF. Everybody has a bike in this lovely category. And why I say that this is a lovely category? Because this is a light bikes, 150 kilos all of them, and they are moving very easy inside the traffic, and you are feel very safe, of course, in the level that the brakes are today. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's speak today about KTM 250 Adventure. Okay, what we got? Let's start from the tail. We got the handles for the second rider. We got the saddle, two saddles, good enough for the two riders, a bit hard. This is normal for the category. Unfortunately, we don't have spocket wheels, but we have aluminum wheels. And we got a footrest with rubber for the second rider, and we got footrest with a rubber and with tooth for the rider. We got protection here, we got protection here, we got protection by the other side, we got these protections for the bike, and we have just a single stand. I'm going up. Do I feel comfortable? It's a bit hard, but as I told you, this is normal for the category. I feel comfortable, yes. Everything is in a correct position. Okay. The mirrors, they give me good view back. This mirror is a little bit loose. Probably the bike is fallen and something happened here. I have an LCD screen with many information on it about the temperature, about the fuels, about the speed, many trip counters, about the clock and many more things. Also, it give me the opportunity to disconnect the ABS. Down of it we have a plug, and this windscreen is not original, it's a little bit bigger. The original stops somewhere here, and this is okay, set me there somewhere here. So, yes, I feel nice, protection, everything okay. I have light back of the buttons here in the bar, and let's see now with Georgia. Georgia, please come. Georgia is very hot today.
Ha.
How you feel, Georgia?
It's very nice for a 250. Very big handles.
It looks like a bigger bike anyway.
Yes, it's a very nice seat, and I feel comfortable. Yes, very nice.
I think that you can live in this saddle for all the range of this motorcycle. You can go from Chania to Rethymno.
To Rethymno at 100
okay.
or don't know 200 maybe kilometers.
200.
100 maybe.
100 it's okay.
Kilometers.
Rethymno is 56 kilometers. Nice. So This is a comfortable bike. I have a good view back. I'm well protected. The sound of the engine is good. The gearbox, it's crunchy. Okay, let's go now. We will change some direction for the start. Something that is doing very easy. This bike's cornering nice, very nice. And now we will try the brakes. The brakes are okay. And the performance is 250 cubics, but I think that the power is enough for the category. So finally, I consider this as a nice bike. Okay, engine. The engine is alive enough. The only thing that you have to do is to keep the RPM high. This is the only thing that you have to do. It's a typical single 4-stroke liquid cool double overhead camshaft engine of 248.76 cubics that produce 30 horses at 9,000 RPM and 24 Nm at 7,500 RPM. So the performance, at least for the street, it's good enough. For the dirt is a little bit problem because you need it now. For outside in the street that you have all this time to take the RPM up, it's okay. It's a very economical. I don't know what is the official consumption of this motorcycle, but I can tell you that all this we have it a few days, it's very economical engine. This is for sure. Okay, so I am very positive to the engine of this motorcycle. Brakes. The brakes, it's a 4-piston caliber front by Barb and a single piston back. Of course ABS. The ABS you disconnected by pressing continuously the button in the clock. So the brakes are fine and for the street and for out of the street. The bike it's very light, it's 177 kilos with everything on it, ready to go. And the tank it's 14.5 liters. So good brakes, for sure you will feel safe on this bike. Quality. This bike is 2023. It's got something like 8,000 kilometers and looks perfect on every detail. There is no wear corrosion. The paint it's okay, everything it's perfect. It's gone nothing wrong. This is a perfect motorcycle, like a new one. Plastics are fine, everything is fine. I have this problem only in this mirror, but probably it's because somebody falling down because the other one it's okay. Or maybe there is a screw back of here, I don't know. I don't feel that there is a screw here. Anyway, so my opinion that this bike, it's perfect. Even without spocket wheels, that this is a big problem, this is a lovely motorcycle for the out of road. So if you are a teenager and you will start your outdoor sports with this motorcycle, soon you will buy an original enduro motorcycle and not an adventure motorcycle from KTM or from everybody else. So it's a good start, this bike. Okay, finally, I will tell you something. I will start with that. The best category of motorcycles to move inside the city is the scooters, and still is. But let's say now that we are in summertime and we don't care about the rain and the air and etc. Then I can tell you that the best way to move inside the city is this motorcycle. It's got good enough power to move inside the city. It's amazing the way that it's passing through the cars and all those things that happen inside the city. You feel very safe with these brakes. You are comfortable. You got a nice look on it. So you're gonna be love this motorcycle inside the city. Also you will love it. Then you are going a bit outside of the city and maybe for a bit of enduro. Because it's moving easily on dirt, it's moving easily in streets that they are around the city. And my opinion is that we are speaking for a really very good motorcycle. Of course, I would like to have a bigger windscreen and I would like to have a spocket wheels, but c'est la vie. Georgia, please.
Well, I like it very much, this motorcycle. It is perfect, but the only thing that I don't like is that it doesn't have any spaces, and I'm not going to kill myself and put a bag, top case here.
Why? You can put an aluminum top case and
Look
looks
at
very...
it. Look at
it. Aluminum, a square, not a typical top box, just a square aluminum top box that is going to look very adventure.
Well.
Of course, like this is better. Any bike is better without a box. Even a scooter is better without a top box. But here you can put a square aluminum top box.
Well, I like this visor, but I understand that it is not the one that is coming with this bike, but it's fantastic.
Anyway,
Well,
so do you like the look of this bike?
the look is amazing.
I am not a so big fan of the KTM look. I like it before the 1995, then those bikes was white. But I don't like this orange. But at least this one is more black than orange. So it's okay.
What's
Anyway,
wrong
I can
with
understand
orange?
that of course I don't like this. I don't like these colors, but it's a good looking motorcycle. And I think that I have to start with a philosophy.
Oh.
And I have to finish it very fast, the philosophy, because I have to close the doors, because your sisters, they will go away.
They want to eat your...
The red one, not the white and black one.
Do you hear the bells? They're coming.
Τι είναι η ζωή κάτω από το δέντρο? Είναι το φύλλωμα που το αφήνει τις πρώτες στιγμές του φθινοπόρου. Είναι ο Οκτώβρης που το μαδάει. Είναι ο χειμώνας που έρχεται.
Κάτσε, θα έρθει κατσίκα πιο νωρίς.
Είναι το κουδούνισμα από τα κατσικάκια που περνάνε χαρούμενα δεξιά-αριστερά.
Θα τρόμαξε.
Είναι η μοτοσικλέτα που χαίρεται το δρόμο καθώς περνάει ανάμεσα από τις φιλοσιές που πέφτουν. Αυτό είναι. Και μπράβο μου, πολύ φιλοσοφημένο. Δεν θα πεις κάτι?
Τι να πω, θα μας βγάλει στο μάτι όπου να είναι.
So ladies and gentlemen, this is Γεωργία and Ιωάννης for κόκκινα φεγγάρια Motorcycle Rock Show. This amazing show with real life reviews.
Real life.
Very lucky you watch
Very
this
lucky.
show. Subscribe, you will feel even luckier.